So now that the tent is set up, the next step for inside the tent is to set up the tent walls. For this, you will need two things. One, the walls itself, which will be in this bag, and either a ladder or a step stool or a bench where you can step on. This is best done with two people because the walls are kind of big, so it's kind of like setting up sheets in the house, right? So better for two people to be doing it so that it doesn't get dirty and dragging or draping on the floor. So typically we set up three walls. The front wall facing the customers, and then the two side walls, and we leave the back wall empty. Right? Now, this is one of the walls, and the orientation is that the one with the Velcro is the top of the wall, and that side with the Velcro is the outside. Here to the side you will see a zipper. The zipper will be parallel to the poles because we're going to zip it up at some point. And inside, you will see these labels on the inside. Okay. Now, so there's going to be two walls with windows and one wall where it's just a mesh wall. Right. The two walls with windows, we've labeled it window in both of these Velcro straps. And you can see the window itself, which is this U-shaped thing with zipper. Right, that's where we serve food out, and anyway, that's where hands passes through between the customer and us. Okay, so this Velcro is going to be attached to the Velcro that's inside the canopy of this tent. You can see this white stuff. Okay, so that's where it attaches to. So I'm now ready to attach one of the walls. Let's assume that this is the customer facing wall. Right, so for sure, if this is a customer facing wall, this is going to be the wall with the windows. Okay. Now, one side, depending on how our booth is situated, if we're in a corner or we're in a space where one side has a gap or an opening where people can go in, that would be where we would put the other window wall. Sometimes we're just squeeze in side to side with other vendors, then it doesn't matter which wall goes to which side. Right? So the best way to do this is to put the Velcro on the Velcro all the way to start. So I put a little bit of a gap here, and then I'm just putting Velcro on Velcro. As you can see, if somebody was on the side pulling, it will make it much easier. Okay, once that's secure in place, you have these extra strap that helps secure it even more. You just loop it around the frame where you can. Now when you get to this side, you can loop this top one. But leave this ones unattached first because it's better to zip it without this being attached. It's going to make it easier. Okay, so let me finish up. one wall. So I've finished attaching the second wall by velcroing and looping it to the roof frame. So once that's done, we can actually start looping the side velcros to the pole.